Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson isn't just a gym rat. He's also an insanely successful businessman.
And recently he mastered the art of branding to make millions of dollars with, well, tequila.
The main way The Rock managed to create huge success with his branding has been through telling a story or interweaving a story within his tequila brand.
No, not quite like that.
You'll soon see that this is something you can do in your designs and projects too. But first of all, what did he do, and let's see what The Rock is cooking. The name of his tequila brand is Teremana.
Now, you might be asking, why is this even important in the first place?
Well, as far as the brand name goes, it pays a homage to The Rock's Polynesian roots, where the word Teri means the earth and the word mana means spirit.
So, Teremana loosely translates to spirit of the earth.
If we begin to collect data on this storytelling technique, we can see the brand name automatically relates to The Rock's background and heritage by referring to his Polynesian roots. But also consider the name literally. Teri, or earth, is a great word for a tequila brand because tequila is taken from the agave plant, and if a tequila brand can create a story or conscious connection to natural things, it will work wonders, which we will soon see. From the brand name, we then look at the label design itself. Here we see the story being told again, but it does go deeper. We can see the agave fields of Mexico on the label, and then a very clean and minimal design.
Good tequila is clean and also pure, or so that's what I'm told anyway.
And this label confirms that to the consumer, and it also adds hints of gold to suggest quality. There is also a stamp style motif that supports quality, and the typography choices are very traditional in regard to Southern American culture. So, heading back to our collection of data, the brand name itself starts the story about the earth, and then the label continues that theme, but also it adds notions of quality, purity, and tradition. To further pursue this story, The Rock went to Instagram and other online platforms to get the word out about the brand. But what he said was crucial. The Rock is actually a very clever branding and marketing entrepreneur, and here's how he continued the story online. He made it clear to the public that his love for tequila and connection to the brand means that he has to be involved with the production since day one. And also he watches over every step of the production process himself.
But not only that, it's actually a very high quality controlled process.
He publicly said this: "We harvest only fully mature agave, slow roast in old world brick ovens, and distill in small 3,800 litre handmade copper pot stills to bring out rich, flavourful tequila, and this reflects the earth that it comes from."
He's very cleverly linking that process back into the story that's being told via the brand.
It's a strong narrative that is being marketed to the consumer. His product is high quality, it's rare because it's made in small batches, and it's traditional because it uses traditional methods. And also, of course, it's linked right back to the earth, so it's kind of natural and organic. This is what the consumer is led to feel. Okay, sure, The Rock is a huge household name, and he's actually in the top 10 most famous people this year. So you might think that whatever he made and however he branded it, his tequila would work.
That's actually false.
There are so many celebrity endorsed alcoholic drinks out there, and they're often overpriced and mocked due to their taste. Teremana, on the other hand, is one of the most cost-effective celebrity-based drinks. In fact, the Blanco version is the most affordable celebrity-endorsed tequila to ever hit the market. The Rock's constant involvement and pursuit of telling a specific story to the target audience has ensured that this brand is a success. Throughout 2020, it sold 300,000 cases and bagged millions of dollars.
Now, it really doesn't matter if you're working on a branding project, a logo design, or even something like a poster.
Think about the story you want to tell and why you need to tell it, who the story is being told to, and how you're going to tell it. If your poster design is about sensual perfume that is quite different from other brands, then tell a story within the design of how the perfume is unique, how its scent is captivating to others, and how the people who wear it will stand out from the crowd. This is just an example, of course. As for me, I'm now heading out to grab some Teremana tequila to try it for myself, but if you guys haven't had your fill of graphic design goodness today, just click a video on screen. And until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.